Hey, Corey with the Weekend Warriors here, sitting with Aaron from Clever Bloom.
And today we're going to teach you how to make a cedar planter box
Out of a single fence board. All right, Aaron, so I have this pile of wood right here that I cut out of a single 1x6 6-foot cedar fence board. The way I designed this box is the bottom piece is exactly 2 board thicknesses shorter. So that'll account for the ends, which will go just like that. And then it will hide all of those seams on the bottom. And then the ends will cover each of those ends. And then I also cut 2 pieces that were 1 board thickness shorter. So those will act as dividers.
I love it. And I like how you kept in mind that there's 3 compartments here, but they fit a standard 4-inch nursery pot or a standard 4-inch terracotta pot. So you can mix and match, and for just a few bucks.
Absolutely. So the tools we're gonna need to get this done are literally just a hammer and some nails, and obviously a saw. I pre-cut all these to make it a little easier for us. But again, let's go through the dimensions on how we made this work.
Great.
So the first 2 pieces that we have are the outside. In those, I cut it exactly 16 inches. The bottom piece, which will fit down inside of there, I cut it 2 fence board thicknesses less. So first thing we're gonna do is we'll take one of the sides and we'll hold it up like this. And then we'll take our end and we'll put our end on there, and I'll have you help me out here and hold on to that. Let's put the rough side out so it looks cooler. So I'm going to put a first nail here. And because these fence boards are so thin, I don't want to come in very much because otherwise I'll split out the side. So that's that one. And then we'll do one on the top. And if you were worried about splitting out the cedar, you could always pre-drill these holes.
Is there a distance in we should do the nails?
Not particularly.
Okay.
I like to just have them uniform. If you're coming in 1 inch on this side,
does that look?
do 1 inch on the bottom.
Right there?
That's fine there.
Go.
Perfect. All right, now what we have is a perfect box, and then we'll put the bottom in, just like so. It should fit just about perfect. Just like that. And then we'll nail it on the ends. Just like that. And now all that's left is to put in our dividers. So we're at 15 inches, so we'll be about 5 inches. So we'll just space these evenly.
Okay, so now we dropped in the dividers. Now we just need to nail them in, right?
Yeah. So let's flip it over. And we're just gonna eyeball this and make sure that it looks good on this side. So I'm gonna go in line with my other 2 nails. So right about there. So there you have it. That's as easy as that. A few nails, a cedar fence board, and we've made ourselves a fantastic looking planter box.
I can't believe how easy that was. And again, what's great is that they fit the standard 4-inch nursery pot, and with the compartments and using the nursery pots, it allows you to sort of mix and match your different types of plants because they're in their own pot. So this is kind of cool. We have some tropical and some desert plants in here. Kind of rearrange us.
Yeah. That looks really, really good.
That's really cool. I love it.
Well, if you want to make your own planter box, all you got to do is get a cedar fence board, cut it up, and nail it together, and it'll look just this good. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show.
See you next time.